My name is Abhay and in this video I will show you how to write first, second and third in Excel like this. You may have difficulty writing this ST, ND and RD as a superscript, but it's very easy. Let's get started. First type everything you want, then select what you want to superscript. After selecting, right click, then go to the format cells. You can also use the shortcut command 1 after clicking this format cells. Under the effects, here you will see the option superscript. If you tick on this superscript, you will see in the preview that whatever you have selected will go in the superscript. After ticking, click on OK and the ST will go to the superscript. Similarly, we will make ND superscript and RD superscript through format cells and superscript option. If this video solves your problem, comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next video.